Huh? Camera.
Oh wow. We're in England, we got that pen cam.
That's juicy right there.
Where? Oh. So,
Because you know why? Because you never know what traffic's gonna do, and I was in Buffalo, so I had to hike it up. Okay. So I was like, okay, if my GPS says it's gonna take me 50 minutes, I better give myself an hour and a half. That's it.
That's right. Supposed to have dog on our names and stuff on there. Strike one.
Are you Darren's wife?
No.
no, that's my wife. Hi.
Hi, I'm Gigi. Yeah, I met him too. Didn't you tell me y'all used to live about my bed?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've been over there like every day with my car condo and move over there. It's nice. You think so? Really? Okay. People don't move there and just wait to die? No. They have a little bit of everything.
Oh, on that side?
That's the place that I went to look at.
Uh-oh.
Wasn't me.
I guess these are real diamonds. I wasn't sure. I'm so sorry. Is that building?
Yeah, that's crazy. I just don't understand. It's a beautiful place. What's the problem? Like, who's taking over? Or is there like oh, look it up. I thought I was there. I didn't. Okay. Right. Yeah, it's the only place you know, everything get into this read. But those, I had no idea. Get into this read. There was one. Okay. Right in front of you? Adjust my clock like saving space error unlocked. And I ain't playing back. Compartmentalized. I'm like, no. Think I'm acting brand new. Yeah. Yeah. But this was me before you. Nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. You know in my
There. How are you? How are you? What's going on? What's happening? Not what? Hanging in there. Yes, sir. That's Eddie, man. You hanging in there?
You as well. You know Lloyd?
Hey, what's happening?
You did the t-shirts and stuff. Yeah. And the other half of the genius and the. I got
Did y'all park in the garage? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I pulled in the first part of my good. It's something that was $75. I'm like, excuse me.
Hello.
Like you did something.
Every time I come here.
Oh, well, I know what I'm trying to do. I don't even know what I'm trying to do.
Here is tremendous. But they always put a bunch of people. So I still haven't tried the food I really want to try.
Oh.
I may go out here and order something and take home and eat.
Hey, I'm Lloyd.
Lloyd, nice to meet you.
And it's my wife, Nikki.
I'm Wise. Nice to meet you. And you're?
Gigi.
Gigi. I'm Wise. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. How long have you guys been a part of the club?
I've been since day one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've been since day 5. I'm with him.
Are you with him?
Yeah. Where's your boat?
It's right over here.
Oh, James Creek. Oh, I have a lot of friends over here.
Oh,
Do you
yeah?
know Kim by any chance? Kim Crockett is over there.
I don't know.
Karen's
but,
over there.
Yeah, Kim has the, she has the,
Hey, you.
Uh-huh.
yeah,
The ringer.
and Cindy has.
Yeah, Cindy's over there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I am also with the boaters, Fort Washington Boaters
That's Larry's
Association.
better
So that's
half.
how I know all them.
So are you still
My boat is at the National Harbor.
Oh, the National Harbor. Yeah. So, how far are you guys taking your vessel?
Well, I live in Virginia, so I used to run my first boat back and forth. Then I got tired of doing that, so I just let it come home. But I like hanging out on the wharf. I like going to work. All the little hot spots around. The National Harbor. No, I this is my second one. And listen, I bought my first one. I didn't know I didn't know why. I didn't even know anybody. Yes. I bought a 31 footer. Yeah. And then I upgraded to a 40.
Oh, wow.
And now I'm looking at a boat.
Oh,
Yeah. But I'm a U.S. Coast Guard licensed captain now. I went ahead and got my captain license. Yeah, because I'm I know. That's why I'm like, I am but I don't know what to home.
it's different.
Oh, in the water. Yeah. No, those are alligators. Oh, okay. I had a Sea Ray for the first time. Regals are nice. They're a little more luxury in the than this. Right.
And they're not classy.
No. Yeah.
What's happening?
How you doing? How's everything?
Hey,
Ladies,
Lawrence.
how you doing?
How are you?
How you doing? All right, pretty good.
Nice.
Thank you.
Like
Thank
the
you.
outfit.
Thank you.
The way the shirt just rides down with those socks. Checking it out, you know. Just checking it out. That's kind of fun. I like it.
I tried.
I like it.
Mr. Darren, what's going on, man? How's everything? All right.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm just, it's nothing like I
How's
feel.
everything, How you doing, man? Yeah. I know it's over. Okay. Man, I hear you playing. Yeah. What's up?